Hello everyone, today we have physics. Right now on the whiteboard, you can see we have a question. A body is tied to a string of length 20 centimeter and wheel around in a cycle to make 40 cycles every 4 seconds. Calculate periodic time, angular velocity, tangential velocity, and centripetal acceleration. So right now, as you can see, we have read the question. So what we're going to do here is to write out the given first before we get to solve the given question. So we have here given. We have to say here given. So right here we have your length of 20 centimeters, which is the same as r, right? Which is radian. So radian here equal to what? 0.2. Why did I say 0.2? It's going to be 0.2 meter because we have centimeter to meter. We divide by 100, therefore we have 0.2 meter. That is the unit. Therefore we have here 40 cycles. So we have, which means we have here cycles, right? We have here cycles, which is 40, right? And therefore we have here every 4 seconds. So we have here 4 seconds. We have 4 seconds, right? So these are the given we have in the question. But then the first question say here, find the periodic, calculate the periodic time. So we have here to include that one. So we have periodic time, periodic time equal to total, time over number of cycle. So this is the formula of finding periodic time. So therefore we have to say equal. So we have here total time that we have here is 4 seconds. So we have to substitute 4 seconds, and therefore number of cycle we have here is 40. So therefore we say divided by 40. So when we have here by 4 it's 1, and by 4, which means we have 1 out of 10. And this is going to be the time we have, seconds, right? So this is what we have, 1 out of 10 seconds. So this is the periodic time that we have. So let's go to question number 2. Find the angular velocity. So we have here say 2 also. So angular velocity we know is simply write. Okay, let's write everything properly so then every learner will understand what we're doing exactly. So we have the angular velocity, right? Angular velocity, which is the same as W, right? Equal to what? 2 pi over T. This is angular velocity equal to 2 pi over T. So we have here then W, which is angular velocity, equal to 2 pi, right? Therefore, T here equal to what? Which is periodic time equal to 1 out of 10. So therefore, we have to substitute 1 out of 10. So right now, what we're going to do here, we have to solve this mathematically. Have to take 10 off, and therefore we divide it by 1. So which means we have here W equal to 2 pi times 10, right? Therefore, angular velocity equal to 20 pi radians per seconds, right? Per seconds. This is the angular velocity. We already find it. Therefore, the third question here is said calculate the tangential velocity. So we have here tangential velocity. So let's write it. That is third. We have tangential velocity, right? Tangential velocity, which is the same as v, right? So equal to angular velocity times radians. So this is tangential velocity. Therefore here we have to say here v equal to, we know w equal to what is 20, right? So we have to substitute 20 pi, which is w, and therefore we have here r, which is radians. Up here we have what is 0.2. So therefore it's going to be times 0.2. So this is what we have. Therefore, put a comma because we have no space. So we have here v equal to, when we have here 20 divided by 2, so the answer is going to be what? So we have here 20 times 2, right? So 2 times 2 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, right? Therefore we have 0, and here we have 0. So we have 0 here 4, and also we have here 0. Therefore the answer is 4 pi, right? But therefore 4 pi watt meter per second. So this is the answer we have for tangential velocity. So the next thing here is what we do call centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. So let's say number 4, right? Fourth question. So we have a centripetal acceleration, which is A equal to V square over over R. Pardon me for that, over R. Therefore, we have here, then we say A equal to, we have here V, which is tangential velocity. So we have it is 4 pi, right? Therefore, we put it in bracket because we have here S square over. So we have here R, which is 0.2. So right now it's going to be equal. When we have here 4, 4 square is going to give us 16, right? And therefore pi square is going to give us pi square, right? So therefore over 0.2. But here we have a decimal point. So what are we going to do here? We're going to say multiply numerator and denominator by 10, right? Therefore we have here equal. I have here 10 times 16, that is going to give me 160 pi square. And therefore here I have 0.2 times 10 is going to give me 2, right? Therefore here we have here by 2 is 1, and by 2 is 80. Is 80. Therefore centripetal acceleration equal to 80 pi square. And therefore the unit is meter per second square.